Hey, what's up everyone? My name is A, the team captain of Squad 2 for CEA, Central Elite Airsoft. So today we're here at Stryker with the majority of our team right now. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun and we're gonna do a raffle just to show everybody that we appreciate them.
This raffle is courtesy of Steve and TJ. You guys should know. So make sure you say thank you to them, because without them, none of this is obviously possible, right? All right. So, want to draw the ticket first? All right. First number is. Hey, look at everybody. Everybody's like, all right, I'm ready to go. What is it? 152-032. Hold on to that ticket. Hold on to it for now. Hold on to it. Don't worry, we still got more. We got more stuff. There's good enough for pretty much almost everybody here. So, almost. Participation ribbon. You got a participation ticket. One. All right, here we go. Here we go. Another one. Let's go.
1520.
1520. 2-7. This guy. Hold on to your ticket.
Yeah, sniper.
All right. All right, you guys ready? There's still more. 152030. Yahtzee. There you go. Hold on to your ticket. All right, we're gonna keep going with this one. I'll pick one out, right? At random. There we go. All right, 152026.
Got lucky twice.
He got lucky twice. There you go. Hold on to your ticket. Hold on to your ticket. Let me see.
Yeah, but that never happened.
Yeah. All right, you're good.
That never happened.
I should be checking though, but I trust these guys. All right.
I want that mystery box.
This one?
It'd be like a million extra there.
Actually, we can change it up a bit, right? Yeah. All right. 152031. There we go. We need a sling.
Oh, nice. Big pack sling.
All right, here we go.
Hey, John, keep the other. That's all.
All right, 152020.
Yahtzee.
There you go. Ready?
I'll pass it to you.
Wow.
Not in my house.
Yeah, whatever. It's all good.
Santa, like if you don't like yours, you can take something else.
That's not my call. That's Steve's call. All right. 152025. Hey.
Don't give it. Oh,
I'll take that.
How many of these do you have?
I think there's several.
Yeah.
I think that's the last one.
Okay. 152033. Oh. There you go, buddy. Hold on. Yeah, CEA. He's CEC. He's CEC. He's CEC. Are you CEA? What? There you go. 152028. There you go.
We take Ronnie's ticket though from the side.
Yeah, take it out. Yeah.
We'll grab it all done.
Okay. You want to do this one? Okay. All right. Oh, no, go back. You picked up 2. All right. 152021. There you go. Return the other one. You just bought one? All right. All right, 152024. Hey.
Oh, Slay.
152022. 22. Want to do this one?
You got your tutu?
Battery and charger.
Oh, battery and charger.
Battery and charger.
Damn. Somebody likes you.
Here, let's go. No, I promise.
Psych, it's mine now.
All right. 152029. Ah, there you go. You get a sight.
Oh, sweet. That's like what I needed. So good. You should give him a handful of BBs.
Actually, 152023.
Whoa.
Battery and charger. Ready? That's all of it?
Ask everybody, make sure. I can't find it.
Pretty much everybody got one, right? Got something. We'll give you double BBs if you want. We can go back again. Put them in.
Well, I want to make sure everybody get?
Everybody at least got one thing, right? Right? Yes? All right. Hold on to those tickets again, yeah.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry.
Ah, dude, don't worry about it. Thank you.
Come on, bro.
Sweet.
Okay. Shake it up.
Are we doing the little ones or are we moving?
We're gonna finish up the little ones, and then we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with this, or do you want to go with this?
We're going to finish this off.
Yeah, these 3, and then after that.
Tickets back in.
Okay.
And then we're going to.
Okay. And then we'll do that.
Me and TJ are going to enter into this and that.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. You got your ticket, right?
Yeah, we got them. We just didn't put them in yet.
Okay. All right, here we go. All right, you guys ready? Get actually a lot more stuff too. All right, 023.
What?
Who's 23?
Oh, wait, is that the box?
No, not yet. Got him. Put it back. You got 2. You took out 2. We're taking 1.
Yeah, TJ, you're gonna give him more? You're gonna run more?
All right. 029. Okay. 027.
No, it's probably 8.
For a plate carrier, there you go. All right, so then you're gonna do that. What's this one right here? Okay. Okay.
We'll put these back in.
Okay. All right. So you want to do this one, this one, and then you're entering this one in, right?
TJ will enter into these two.
Okay.
Actually, hold on.
Oh, there's another one over there. I missed that one. All right. I didn't see that one because I thought that was a okay.
On the foot of the M4.
032. There you go. Oh, I thought he got it. All right. So that's it, right? Yeah, they're all in. Do this one.
Me and TJ will.
Okay. Okay. And put. Set your ticket here. Okay, so the rest of our box in here are still pretty big items, so they're pretty up there in the cost, so that's why we kept them for last. You guys still have your tickets, right? Yeah. All right. So I'll make this one good, right? He-
That'd be more for us.
033. 33. 33? That was you? All right, that doesn't count anymore. Bye. Sorry.
Yeah, actually, it probably will be.
Wait, where are the rest of the tickets? Where?
In there, you just got to.
Oh, there they are. Okay.
Yo, make sure that's a
You might cry, Brian.
030. Ah, all right.
You might cry.
Get a pair of Smith Optics goggles.
I have glasses, I can't wear them.
All right. So,
Same time. 1, 2, 3.
thank you for your help. Do you want to do this last?
Yeah, just do that one last.
So you want to do this one now? And
Yeah,
this?
Do that
Okay.
one, do that one, and then.
All right. So we're going to start off with this one because Steve and TJ are out because these are prizes from us, from me and A. So go over there. All right. Let's see.
Boom shakalaka.
029.
Me again.
Seriously?
Seriously. Hey, I've always wanted my egg. Why don't you give it to his son instead?
He owes child support. Technically, it's his son.
Let me see your ticket. Okay.
Oh, he's got damn.
That's it.
What kind of gift
We
is
with this
this?
one, yeah. All right.
Uh-oh. 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 2, 1.
Whoops.
Talking about, baby. Yeah. Sweet. Thank you, guys.
Winner, winner. Now you gotta buy everybody lunch. You're lunch.
All right. Mystery box. You guys ready?
Yeah.
It's one item, but it's a mystery box. Zero 2 7. Yeah? Your ticket. George, give me that. Give me that back. George, give me that. Give it back.
It's right here, baby. You can't trust him with shit. Where's the cylinder?
Pop it open.
I need a knife.
Sorry, guys.
I got it.
All right. Do you guys want to let Eamon open it up, or you want to move on? We got one more left.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was gonna put you. Am I gonna open? Yes. Oh, I can't tell you guys. I can't tell you guys.
Open it up. Eamon, open it up.
He's trying to run away.
Oh boy.
Oh. Cyclone.
All right. Last but not least, you got to make this count. No.
Forget the loop. Got it. I got it. Hit the loop.
All right, here we go. 024.
Hey!
You got it?
Yeah.
Take it, please. I feel like I'm at a carnival right now. All right. Jesus Christ. There you go, buddy.
That's taller than him. You have to be this tall to ride.
Guys, just one more thing. I just want to say thank you, whoever came out yesterday at iPlay. I'm sure you guys missed out on a lot, but we had a lot of fun. Today we're here. It's the first time pretty much everybody is here today, right? Yep. So I want to say thank you to each and every single one of you for being part of CEA, because without it, we wouldn't be here at all. All right? Everybody, thank A for the gun that George dropped. Whatever.
He's gone now. He broke another gun.
Thank A. A's also being the cameraman and filming and stuff. So, all right, guys. All right, guys. Congratulations, everybody.
Thank you.